this week's low carb recipes. Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. So this evening I've decided I'm going to make us some stuffed chicken breasts. There are obviously very different variations. You can make it with spinach. Unfortunately we don't have spinach, but I love spinach. But basically we're going to be stuffing the chicken with some cream cheese, and Bet loves jalapenos, so I'm going to add some jalapenos in there for him. Take a look and give it a try. Okay, so we've preheated the oven to 180 degrees and we have 4 pieces of chicken, 2 for us each. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to make little pockets which we can stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to coat them with some olive oil. I'm going to add some paprika and some Worcestershire spice. I'm going to put them on the baking sheet so we can make the stuffing. So first I'm going to add some cream cheese, a drop of mayonnaise for some sweetness, a little bit of garlic and some cheese. Okay, now I'm going to stuff them. So for bits I'm going to add some jalapenos. Really good. So to end off, I'm just going to add a bit more cheese on top. And I know what you're thinking, everything's probably going to ooze out. You're probably right. And some Parmesan. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Nice and messy. Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make Meatza, which is something I thought I made up or came up with, but basically it's a mince base topped with nice pizza toppings. It was one of the first banting low carb inventions I came up with, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Have a look. Alright, so I'm going to start off with some mince and then I'm just going to spice it. First I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some Worcestershire spice, pepper, bit of salt, some paprika, and some oregano for that pizza smell. And to help it all bind together, I'm going to add an egg. And now we're going to mix it all together. You can also add some psyllium husk. I find the egg is enough. Alright, so I've spread it nice and evenly. I've also preheated the oven to 180. Now we're going to put it in the oven and going to check it after 15 minutes. Okay, now that the base is basically cooked, I'm going to add some tomato paste. Okay, so now that the base is covered with tomato paste, I'm going to add my toppings. I love cheese, so I'm just going to go for another cheese pizza. But at this point, you can also add some cooked mushrooms, some bacon, whatever you like. I'm starting off with some cheddar. Some mozzarella. I'm gonna add some crumbed feta for a sharper taste. And then lastly, I'm gonna use some Parmesan. Just a light dusting. Just for some more pizza taste, I'm gonna add some more oregano. Now I'm gonna put it back in the oven just so the cheese will melt under the grill. It smells amazing. Now I'm just gonna cut it up. And now I'm gonna serve it with some flash fried vegetables. If you try this out, let us know in the comments what you think. Good evening. It's freezing cold, so I've decided that I want to make some very rich hot chocolate. We also have skinny hot chocolate, which is a very nice and quick option. We use that, and sometimes we'll even add it to our coffee and make like a mocha cappuccino or whatever. But tonight I'm going to show you the cocoa, the hot cocoa that I make on the stove. So I'm going to add some milk. You can obviously use any milk of your choice. I sort of eyeball it. Then I add some nice cream, a bit of salt, some vanilla essence, cinnamon, and cocoa. Then I'm gonna add some xylitol. You can add as much as you like depending on how sweet you want your hot chocolate. I actually prefer it a little on the bitter side. I'm gonna stir that together. Now I'm gonna add some 85% Lindt dark chocolate. Just about 2 blocks. Stir it in. Then for garnish, I have these low carb, no sugar added marshmallows, which I think is going to look quite cute. And then I'm going to add some mint because I think that'll give it a nice taste. Just some mint leaves into that. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can froth it. Delicious. Gonna add 3 little marshmallows and a mint leaf.
We will see you this week at the Banting Market at Brooklyn Mall. We're so excited. Please don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to our page, and to turn on your notifications.